Getting up, driving around the block with it, getting some exercise.
Oh, he just took a ride up there?
Yeah, he went up back towards that.
On this street right here?
Right here.
He sees somebody following him. So
That
he's going
is-
back to the dirt pile.
That is the fire department area. Oh, you little punk.
And then to drive that, that's what we got a scoop full of it.
Oh my God, they're taking that dirt and refilling site 31 and 32.
Well, you know it's someplace in the base. You don't drive very far with a bed that size. They got the barrel type beds you take off.
That is exactly what he's doing. Excuse my language, but you dirty bastards.
Nice bunch of rock too.
That's so not okay.
I don't know any rules.
Why don't you just jump out here and walk over there? It says do not enter, but you can stand over there and take good pictures of him jumping that ladder.
You know what? That's exactly what I'm gonna do here real quick. Hang on, I cannot believe these guys are doing that way. Now he's not going to dump it. Now he's not dumping it. Now he's going to go and run and hide. Look at this. Now he's not going to dump it. Oh, you saw us watching you.
Has he got more than we got?
I don't know.
No, we're almost full.
That's
Okay, now what's the bet on it? Right before I diamond, I say he makes a left.
he's going to make a left and he's going to try to do it the other end over there where they're filling the other side too. But he just looked at me and then he pointed over to me when I was standing there
Sure.
and took off. They can't do that.
Well, yeah, but what I'm asking is,
Nobody stops him.
why can't they dump there?
Because that's the dirt that they took out of Site 12 up in the front. West Side Drive.
They're not taking the clean dirt to fill in over here. They're taking the dirty dirt.
Back into sites they say are clean.
Huh?
Back into sites that they say they're finished with.
Yeah, but this is a clean site over here. It should be going to the big dirt pile. Not the little one.
There's PSI. There's my mold people. Yeah. Oh, gentlemen. Is he going to go back there now?
He's right back to the same place. No, but he's
Somebody's
practicing.
watching this.
He's practicing his driving.
Now that's the clean dirt pile that they should be
Right.
using, right?
That's what, theoretically, yes. That's Caldecott Tunnel.
He's going right back where he came from. Saying,
Don't let these people
they're
catch
onto
you.
us. They're onto us.
Or he's going to the back side of that site.
No, he gets the afternoon off now.
Yeah. We've been made. That's so
Maybe
funny.
we just take the plane back and you can keep driving this car around the base.
Don't forget though, we don't have a gas station here, so
Oh, that's right. That kind of limits that, doesn't it?
yeah. Okay, children. We have your lives to protect.
There he goes left.
Yeah. Yeah, see, he's gonna go that. going to the back side of that same site. Yeah, he took a left because he's gonna go to the other side and dump it. Maybe he wasn't being sneaky. Maybe they really did need him in on the other side. Okay, I'm being nice, guys.
Various locations.
Yeah. Because the pile is in the other... And there's no way he's getting in there, so why is he there? Let me get right up on his... And they're renting those from Volvo Rents. Maybe we should let them know what they're using their trucks for. Do you want me to go up there and get a picture of what they're dumping in there?
Not even doing anything, just sitting there.
No, because the other guy, while we were following him, went inside and dumped it. Hang on. Now he's moving. We might need to move up.
Well,
Up it goes and down it goes.
Yeah. Crazy.
Is there more you want to see?
No, I'm just very disgusted.